footer copyright credit. How to change this in any theme we want. Most of the team let us change it within the theme easily, such as Astro. And I wish every team did allow that, but most of the teams makes it almost impossible to change this part. And the only way you can change it to buy the premium. And it's annoying. I don't like someone's names here, like proudly powered by WordPress or etc. etc. I want my own name to be here. So how to do this? With this video, I'll show you the best way which works for any team. Any team that you want, it works 100% guarantee. So for this, I just download this brand new WordPress, which is completely empty, got nothing. And we just gonna work first within this original theme that we have. If we go to our themes, appearance themes, there's two themes that we have it already. My computer is flashing somehow. Oh, there it works. This 2017. So the first thing, we have to disable this footer. How to disable this? We go to customize and we go to additional CSS, and all you have to do, very small code, footer. So we select the footer, and inside this curly brackets we just say display to none. So what this code does, it disables basically this footer. If we refresh now, the footer is gone. There's no footer anymore. Now how to add our own footer? That's also very easy. We exit from here, and this time we go to theme editor. So in here we have to find the file which is footer.php, or sometimes they name it differently, like this one, it says theme footer. We click on this. There's all this code which I have disabled it. So this code, don't delete it, leave it as it is. In the very beginning of the code, we put a few line down, and whatever you write here, it will be in our footer. Now refresh, and as you can see, it's here. To design this, you can do it within very small code. For that, we have to make a paragraph first. Inside the paragraph, let's type whatever you want to display, and we need a little styling, so add the style equal. Inside this double quote, I want to style it. The first thing I want to do is giving this to the center, so it's called text align center, and after that I want the background color to be changed. Let's say to black, so it looks like a proper footer. And after that, since the background is changed to black, let's make the color of the text to white. Let's see how it works, how it looks so far. Refresh, but it is very small and there's a gap. We can fix this by doing a little more code. This is a very basic HTML code which most of people knows already, but if you don't know it, you can copy from this. And what we need some padding so it looks bigger. Let's say 50 pixel. I want it really thick. So this should give us a thick big one there, but the text is still in the left side. I want this to be in the center, so we must mistake something here. Oh yeah, there the code is. Need to be like this. Refresh, and it's in the center, but still there's a white gap. To get rid of that, there's a margin, so we need to get rid of the margin. The only way we can get rid of this white bit to give the negative margin. So what we do in our code, we just add a small thing which is called margin bottom, and let's give it minus 30 pixel. So it should hopefully get rid of that margin for us, as you can see here. Refresh. Didn't work. We must make some mistake here again. Margin bottom. Okay, 1 minute. And it worked. So that's for the laptop, for the PC, and this for the computer. It looks perfectly fine. You want to add some link here, you can use the A tag, which is for link. I don't want to waste time for that, but I'm sure you guys can Google it and can find it. But if you need me to do it, just give me some comment and I'll do that in separate video. So this is how you change, but this is not what I recommend you to do it. Why? Because imagine after update, after this theme update comes out, you lose everything. This code get deleted, their own code load here again. So basically their footer will come back here instead of yours. So what we do, I'm gonna copy this code that I made it so I don't write it again. I'm gonna take this back to the original way as it was. And again, we're gonna go to the customize, additional CSS, and I'm gonna delete this code from here too. So now it's exactly the way as it was. Refresh, and there it is. So how we do it? We need a child theme. When we do a child theme and put the code that I've put it in this, put that code in the child theme, whatever update within this theme comes out, it will never affect our child theme, because child theme is yours. Only you can change it, no one else. So how to make a child theme? The easiest way is plugin. Just go to plugin, add new, and just type child here, and it should come. Yep, the first one, this child theme configurator. Click install, and after install, activate. If we go to our themes, at the moment we don't have a child theme, but we can create one by going to the tool, child theme, and in here you pick the theme you want to make a child theme for it. So 2017 is already clicked, and hit the analyze, go all the way to the bottom and hit the create new child. Now once it's created, it's empty, so we need to add a file in it. Click on files and find the PHP footer, which is here, footer.php. Click it and say copy selected to the child theme. Now this is to our child theme, but still our child theme is not active, so we need to activate that. Go to themes. Now as you can see, we have, this is the parent theme and this is the child theme. So make sure you activate this. Still it's the same thing, nothing is changed. So now we will change the same thing. The child theme always needs to be active in this way. So we're gonna go back to customize, CSS, and again we just add the footer. Inside this curly brackets we just say display to none, and this will disable the footer first. As you can see, there is no footer. Now we exit from here and go to editor, and there it is, our footer. And again, this code is not important. In the very top, just paste this like this. This is the code that I created before, and say update. Now we have our own footer. This is much better way. So this way, after updates, whatever happen, you always have your footer. It never change. This works exactly the same with any team that you pick. Thanks for watching.